Hey everyone, my name is Kim and I have been the project manager for PlayTown Swanee 2.0. Today is day 7 and it's nearly the final day of our volunteer involvement in the build. As you can see, we've made a ton of progress. Today, some of the cool things that we did was we had a crane come in and actually fly the toppers onto the towers, and that was amazing to watch. And we started hanging up the pickets. We sold over 1,000 fence pickets with people's names on them, and you'll be able to come to the park and see all of those over the years. It's like a big hug around the park. We've welcomed over 1,000 volunteers. We have fed them well. We've had an amazing turnout from our sponsors, our community, and we've really fostered that sense of collaboration and community. We've seen some life-changing experiences, some new friendships, and we welcome old friends, and we're so excited. PlayTown Swanee is not yet ready because we still have some work to do, and we have some technical things to get it all ready and get the surface ready and the play structure completely ready. So stay tuned to Swanee.com and we'll announce when PlayTown is ready for you to visit.
We're here with BSA Troop 827, and community service is a big part of what we do as a Boy Scout troop. A lot of us have grown up here at Swanee, and as parents, we took our kids here when they were younger. They had birthday parties here, they played here after school, they played here all summer long, and we are thrilled to be able to contribute back to the next generation of kids playing at the park.
I'm Katie Brown. This is my Eagle project. We're making 4 wheelchair accessible picnic tables for this park and 2 other Swanee parks. I'm 17 and I go to Peace Church High School.
My name's Doug Ireland. I'm here as a volunteer with the red lettering because I know how to cut things. We love this community. Me and my family, we're all here except for my 2 youngest. They don't have the age requirement for this, but they will definitely be getting a lot of use out of this. My older ones, I'm certain one of these days will be having little ones of their own, and I can't wait to bring them here and say, you know, Grandpa helped out with this. That's going to be fun. We're leaving a legacy for future children and grandchildren, so glad to be here and love Swanee.